We got home and there was some sort of big storm here. So the fish are all gasping for air. I hope they're going to survive. They're just gasping for air down here. So sad. Anyhow, I got new oxygen running for them. What happened is this tank, something caused this tank to empty. And a couple of the pumps failed. So nothing could go back and reoxygenate the water. Sucking for oxygen here. Suffering horribly. So maybe it's gonna be alright. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 there. Ooh, that was 5 days already. Come on, start breathing. Start breathing, guys. We can make it. 10, 11, 12, 13. See the color of their skin? It gets really light. That means they're oxygen deprived. They get really pale. And it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And 9 on that side. 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 24. What? Between 30 and 50 of these Tambaqui things. I'm going to move some to the pond because this is crazy. At least in the ponds they're doing good so far. See how their eyes get dull too, being like oxygen deprived. Hey guys, I'll check back with you in a bit. You're getting lost oxygen now.